going on, y'all? Today is Saturday. I'm waiting on my boy Ben right now to come to do this fabrication work on the car. He already cut out the plate for me, so I'm waiting for him to come right now. So I'll pick up the camera once they arrive.
Well, to start off today's vlog, I came to bother Ocasio because I was bored. He showed me progress on the coupe, what he's been doing and everything. Can't wait to see how it's gonna come out. Probably still gonna be a piece of shit, but it'll be a nice piece of shit. Stay tuned. My boy!
Let's go, bro. In a minute, bro. Chill, I'm about to get my car key so I can move the car, so he can park here or you can park here, whichever one. Let me just see if the door's open. Yo, put it all the way this way. Yeah, you go. I'll just shake all of that down right there. I'm probably gonna have to go a little bit more, right? Because the way you did the bracket. Cause I got the little wire wheel, so we can sand all that. We can take that off.
That's how it's gonna sit right there.
Yeah, that's perfect. Cause it's right here where it gets weak from. It's like if it moves like that.
Yeah, we'll weld that up and weld this whole thing so it doesn't flex.
I got the plug and everything right here too. Yeah, I don't have any torque mounts. I have now that I'm gonna put on, but I have red inserts. I don't even think it's gonna move regardless. Let me just yeah. And you can bring your stuff. I have the stuff right here. Let me just go get my Civic key so I can open it up real quick. Alright, here's my boy Joao, my boy Ben. This dude's about to put in some work right here. I made the bracket ready, straight off of his car, so cut some time off of that. That's gonna be perfect. You know, is that the same way Booster Boys did their shit? He did one too, and I think it's funny part. I think it's literally just like that. He did like a little thing over and then welded it up, same exact way.
We didn't even watch the video.
Yo, you need to make some of those and have them on deck for people to buy them, for real. Because everybody with an EK is gonna have this problem right here. So if you make those, bro, same thing, bro. You can just sell them shits and put them on people's cars.
Yeah.
That's smart.
We actually got somebody else too last night. He was like, yo, I need that done. The same problem.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro. Nobody makes that. You need to hop on that, bro. Be the first one. Have them products already made, bro. Same thing. Put them on. Get ready. Or even sell it just like, you know, they could take it somewhere to get welded. Yeah. Or, you know, sell them and then a little extra for you to sand it down, weld it on. That's a very important part that people don't know that always cracks. Is that side on the EKs and on the EGs is on this side. So it's like, but I'd rather this happen than the other side because that's fixable. They sell something for this one, for the EGs and for the Tacking. I forgot what company makes it. It's like a skin that they put over it and like reinforces it. But that shit, I know he was supposed to come out with that same exact thing like that, and he still hasn't came out with it. It's been like 2 years already. Smart though, bro.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Telling you, have those on deck, yo. Got you. Already got it. Smart, bro.
Bring your car.
Yeah, exactly. Bring the car, or you could buy it, have somebody else weld it. And we got all the equipment ready. See, this is exactly why I knew it. I knew he was gonna have to come and do more. I just did like someone. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have the drill ready because I know he's probably gonna have to do some other extra shit. And we gotta just sand down a little bit more on this part. That way it could touch up. I'm probably gonna get, which it probably won't happen, but I might just get paint and just spray over so I won't get no corrosion.
Yeah.
Make sure after you guys see this video, check my boy out because my boy work is A1+. I'm about to do some work right here. Yeah, I got a little smaller one here.
brought the MIG, but you know,
I don't know the difference. I don't know the difference between MIG, TIG. I don't know the difference between none of that shit.
so this is the bay. I bring the TIG it up.
What's the difference between the MIG and I know it's like MIG and
The
TIG
MIG
and all
is
that
more
shit.
like, it's not for aesthetics. It's just welding, and it's like, I mean, you could lay some dimes with it, but it's not aesthetically pleasing. It's not.
Okay, yeah.
It'll
So
be
it's-
it'll
I
be
get
a
what-
little lump.
Yeah,
Far
that's
with
fine.
the
Yeah.
TIG is more flat. You know.
Yeah, for like piping and stuff, basically.
Yeah, like we use this for piping, so you see how the welds come out.
Oh, okay, yeah. I
When
get
you
what
do
you're saying.
MIG,
yeah.
it's more like,
So this is what they use like on the exhaust, basically, like in the exhaust shocks, basically, right?
Yeah, that's what they use the MIG.
MIG at the exhaust shops.
Okay.
And for like, you know, high-end stuff is TIG. So we're like, so this is the bay is gonna be exposed and all that.
Yeah.
It's a little more work, but it's a little better. Just a little better.
Yeah, and aluminum is only TIG work.
Titanium.
Shit, I need a whole fucking book and lesson about this shit.
Right or left?
Yeah, all good.
You got a dike bro?
What? A dike?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that? The fuck is that? I don't know what the fuck he just asked me. A dike?
So cut that way.
Oh, you said, Yeah, put the other part right here. Alright. You're gonna have to hold it in the center and I'm gonna go tack.
Might be on aluminum. Hold it.
It doesn't matter. Let me check it.
Put it on this right here. Try to put it on this right here. See if it works there.
Hold on. I think it's on you.
Good.
I hear you, mate. That's smart. Yeah, now it's not smoking as much now.
When the wind hits
Don't
it,
matter.
contaminates the welding.
One way to get welding done outside.
See, welding is hard, bro. You gotta do so much of it.
Prep alone.
I didn't even see it. The foot pedal right there. Not even in the knee pedal. Alright, Chris is gonna be getting my old stuff. So he's gonna be going B to D. No, D to B. 110 horsepower to 300. You ready for that?
Yeah, bro, I'm ready.
I don't think he's that ready for it. This guy has bad luck with every car. Every car starts smoking. I told him if my B series or my old B series starts smoking, I'm taking it away. That's how we got it weld. We gotta make a little fort. My man's well good under there.
And when you weld without gas, that's what happens.
Okay, I see.
So oxygen starts burning. So that's what happens.
I didn't even know oxygen can burn.
Yeah, like 1400 degrees.
That's nuts. That's crazy.
I mean, it's tacked in.
Yeah, it's on there, so it's
Which is good.
as long as it's on there, yeah.
You clean that up.
Well, round 2, ran out of gas, right? What is that gas, right?
Yeah,
Argon. So we're gonna do round 2 another time. He's gonna come in. You gotta bring the other one, right, to fill it in, to fill in the big gap. Well, it's already on there. At least we already know what it's gonna be, what it's gonna look like, and that's the piece right there.
with the other machine, I'm gonna just
fill it in on the outside. Yeah, that's one with I'll have a thicker filler, right?
yeah, it'll be a little thicker, but it'll never come out.
Well, we got it. Oh shit! The whole shit came off. Imagine would have not had none. They would have. Yo, this shit is. Oh my god. But yeah, that's a product right there. Once he finishes welding it up, grind it down, smooth it out, it's gonna be nice and reinforced. Cause I don't know what it does. I don't know if it's like be moving if it moves this way or what it is. But that shit, every fucking EK that shit happens.
Well, yeah, it flexes this way. Since the motor's rocking on two mounts like this, it's pivoting.
Yeah, yeah.
Like this. So this ear right here takes a lot of abuse.
Yeah, I'm thinking about. Well, I'm gonna put, cause I have red insert mounts now, so the motor shouldn't be moving at all. But I'm gonna see how it does, and I still have 2 torque mounts downstairs. And I have the torque mounts, and I have the arms and shit too. I just gotta get like the bolts for the block to attach to the block and to the tram.
You should put a dampener, like the piston.
Oh yeah.
The one that goes from the one that yeah.
I think maybe
I've seen those before too. It goes like that's like a little thing, and then it moves forward and back.
Yeah, maybe you need one to stop it from doing that.
Yeah, I think it goes on that side, right? I believe.
I think it's on the side.
Yeah, I think it's that side, cause that's the motor's closer to this side. Yeah, cause I've seen it before too. You adjust it for the. I mean, I'll do that rather than that. Is the thing too? The fucking torque mounts, they fucking vibrate a lot, bro. So I mean, I might have vibration regardless with the red mounts, but still. If there's something, now I can actually just start, finishing up, cause I didn't want to. I was like, let me wait for this to be on. Now that I know it's on, I gotta take that brake boost off.
Now we wanted to pull
Take
up too,
everything off.
not just be like, yeah, I'm gonna pull up.
Yeah.
Do the
At
no
least-
show, you know what I'm saying?
At least 50% is done already.
You know?
You gotta
Yo.
come back and just weld.
Here comes the cake.
So crazy.
You don't get it, Chris. See? You didn't help.
It's all good.
Well done, man.
It's all good.
Go ahead, you can take.
Where the meat at?
Take one, Chris.
Nah, I'm good. I just ate, bro.
Here we go. Always with the I just ate.
I just ate, bro.
Yo, look. Right there. I can serve yourself.
You wanna take a bite with your mask on? Yeah, dig in, boys.
Let's see how this Brooklyn pizza is.
Wow, that's crazy.
Because we know the Bronx got it. You know what I'm saying? The Bronx got it. No. Let's see.
What is this? Thin crust?
Okay.
I don't even know what this is.
Okay. You got it. Alright.
So they
I
got
my
it.
pizza right here.
Well, we got it on already. He didn't realize that it was a little bit empty, but we got it put on. He's gonna come back with the other welder. and he's gonna kill it. So yeah, they're packing up their stuff right now, but I'm just glad that it's on there. You guys seen exactly how it looks, and yeah, pretty excited to get it finished up and continue this build. That S2000 struggle right here. Y'all got no space in it at all, bro. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today. Gotta go and head off and do some stuff. Shout out to my boy Ben for coming through. Hey, it happens. He didn't know it was empty, but he's gonna come not this week, the week after. We're gonna finish it up. And yeah, I'm gonna start actually doing all like the sanding and stuff. And actually next week we should be doing a brake tuck, so everything should be easy. Everything should be going pretty good on the road. And yeah, one step closer. Sorry if you guys heard music. These fucking dudes, of course, she always playing music out of the fucking chucheros and shit. So hopefully I don't get copyrighted. But yeah, here she is. Obviously it's not the final product. Still got to do, like, you know, this welding was perfect, as you guys saw. Look right here, and then he started realizing that it was getting contaminated, but it wasn't that. It was actually that he had no gas. Wow, my boy left his phone. Imagine he would have went all the way to Yonkers and then left. Oh my god.
Call him.
Bro, I'm like, yo, you would have went all the way to Yonkers and left. And this is yours too, I think. You had the bigger one, I had like the small one. Imagine you would have went to Yonkers and then forgot it. Oh my god. You would have.
I'm like, let me call this guy and let him know I'm coming.
It was right there too. Lucky you told me, because I would have closed the hood on it.
Bro, the screen's cracked already. I would have been like, yo, my phone's gonna be. I would have been like, yo, just ship it overnight, bro.
But yeah, guys, so just gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys again for watching. Yeah, if you guys need any fabrication work done, hit my dude up. I'm gonna put his link and everything in my description, so you guys can hit him up, because dude does awesome work. He does work at his spot. Well, he does literally everything: exhaust, intake piping. Excuse me. He does intake piping, everything you need to do. He like literally makes manifolds from scratch. He made a manifold for S2000. So check out his work on Instagram. Shout out my dude Ben and Joel. And yeah, till next time, guys. Build to enjoy. Peace out.